Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Angular. There is a discussion topic why Angular signals won't replace RxJS. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So let's do the discussion why Angular signals won't replace RxJS. This is my opinion. If you have another opinion, then you can do write me in the comment section, right? So the Angular signals and the RxJS are complementary tools for managing the state and reactivity in the Angular applications. But they serve different purposes and are designed for distinct use cases. Here, why Angular signals won't replace RxJS. Different use cases, signals are simpler, lightweight, reactive state management mechanism designed primarily for the local state and the change detection in Angular components. They are suitably for managing the single values or the small sets of data that need reactively update in the UI. RxJS is a powerful library for working with asynchronous data streams. It excels in handling complex event driven workflows, multi source streams, and advanced operators for transformations, filtering, error handling. RxJS is indispensable for scenarios like HTTP requests, WebSocket communication, or the real time updates, right? So, this is a very important point. Now we have asynchronous operation. Signals are synchronous by nature, but RxJS is designed to handle the asynchronous data streams out of the box. Signals, while they can react to the changes in other signals or the computation, they don't natively handle asynchronous streams of data. But RxJS features like observable subject, behavioral subject make it ideal for the scenarios where events occurs over time, such as user interactions or the API responses. Complex transformation. Signals are simple and do not come with the rich set of operators that the RxJS provides for the transforming and combining the streams of data. But RxJS, with operators like map, filter, merge map, switch map, combine latest, RxJS enables developers to perform complex data manipulations and combine multiple streams effortless. Now we have a streaming data. Signals are the best suited for managing state within the component or the small part of the application that don't inherently provide mechanism for working with the continuous streams of the data or large scale state management. RxGX is ideal for the scenarios where data flows continuously, such as WebSocket streams, event listeners, or the real time updates. It provides robust tools for managing these streams. Okay, so the stream of data, very important. Backward compatibility. Angular has a long history of leveraging RxJS as much of the ecosystem, including Angular's own HTTP client and the router, is deeply integrated with RxJS. Replacing RxJS would break the compatibility with many existing libraries, tools, and the developer workflows. Learning curve. Signals offer the simpler API and can reduce the boilerplate in many scenarios. However, for experienced developers, a customized to RxJS switching entirely to the signals may feel limiting when dealing with the advanced use casing. Now we have a ecosystem maturity. RxJS is mature, well-established library with extensive community support and wide range of use cases. Signals, while promising, are relatively new, focused on solving specific problems with Angular's ecosystem. Conclusion. Angular Signals and the RxJS addresses different aspects of application reactivity. Signals simplify the state management and the UI reactivity, while the RxJS remains to go to the solution for handling asynchronous streams, complex workflows. Rather than replacing RxJS with Signals, complement it, providing developers with more tools to choose from based on the problem at the end. So use Signals when managing local reactive state in Angular's component-based architecture, simplifying the UI updates with Angular's new reactive primitives. Use RxJS, working with the streams of data, building complex reactive workflows using Angular's core feature that depends on the observables. So this is the difference of that one. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.